วัสดีค่ะ everyone Monday new recipe Before we start I would like to thank this month's patron Mary Norbert Colin and Brian Thank you very much for your support I really appreciate it Alright so today I will show you guys how to make chicken teriyaki in a very easy way Are you ready? Let's go! Now it's time to try. It looks good. The chicken is very tender and the sauce is sweet. It's a little bit salty and it smells really good. For the rice, I use Thai rice. But if you have Japanese rice, that would be perfect because this is Japanese style. But since I don't have one, I will just use my Thai rice. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to receive a notification when I add a new video. Share to your friends, leave me a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย